Today we're gonna draw a professional nose. And believe me, a child can make this. What's up guys, and welcome by a brand new video. My name is Justin and today I will be showing you how to draw a nose. It's easier than you think. Let's go. First of all, you need to know where the nose needs to be. So draw a head. The size is on you. Try to make it a perfect symmetrical head. Then make a soft vertical line in the middle of the head and draw a horizontal line. Something above the middle, and divide the lower part of the head in three, like I did. Right above the line, there comes the eyes. On that line comes the nose, and on the lowest the mouth. So you need to draw 3 circles, like that. Then you're gonna overline the outer lines and make it a kind of tune above it, like I have here, and erase the circles, not the middle one. So you only left the nose and the circle. Make nostrils by just coloring black ovals. Now you're gonna make shadows inside the circle. My light is coming from the left, and so I made shadows at the right side of the nose. Make some shadows at the tube, and now you have a nose. This was a random picture at the internet. For this drawing, the person looks straight in the camera. But what if the person is looking up? For this picture, I took a picture of myself. Not the most beautiful one, but yeah. For this drawing, I did exactly what I did in the previous drawing. Horizontal line, a vertical line, but the middle circle now been drawn slightly upwards. The nostrils for this drawing needs to be bigger. Make a kind of crazy M for this. Make some shadow, and now you are done. If you don't want to take time for this drawing, you can always make anime noses, which looks like this. Like, share and subscribe, and see you next week with a new video.